Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto Online. First, you will create your character, customizing their look and initial stats. Then, complete the tutorial missions to grasp the fundamental controls and objectives. After that, acquire your first property, like an apartment or garage, which serves as your personal hub. Finally, begin exploring the expansive world, engaging in various activities and interactions. Earning money and reputation points, or RP, is crucial for progression. You can complete story missions, participate in thrilling heists, or engage in competitive adversary modes. Investing in businesses like a biker clubhouse or CEO office provides a steady income stream. Remember to sell your illicit goods and stolen vehicles to maximize your earnings and climb the ranks. Grand Theft Auto Online offers countless ways to personalize your experience. You can extensively customize your vehicles with performance enhancements and visual flair. Dress your character in a wide array of clothing, tattoos, and hairstyles. Beyond that, participate in various activities, from high-speed races to intense deathmatches, or even a relaxing round of golf. Joining a crew enhances teamwork and provides exclusive bonuses. As you progress, you will unlock more advanced gameplay elements. Acquire high-end properties such as bunkers, hangars, and facilities to expand your operations. This allows you to access powerful weapons, advanced vehicles, and even military-grade equipment. Master complex, multi-stage heists that require careful planning and coordination with your crew. Continuously expand your criminal empire, solidifying your influence throughout Los Santos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.